Exams are here, and let's face it, mornings don't always go as planned. But don't worry, we've got some quick tips to help you survive the day. Running late, it happens. Always plan for the unexpected to avoid a last-minute rush, and maybe set one more alarm next time. Remember, you don't need to bring your entire room to the exam. Just a bottle of water, a couple of pens, and your ID card will do. Forgot your ID card? Don't panic. Any photo ID will work. Check what else you have on you. If all else fails, head to the exams office for help. Sick on exam day? There's no need for Oscar-worthy performances. If you're genuinely unwell, seek medical attention and apply for mitigation. We've got your back. Exams are tough, but you are tougher. Show up, stay calm, and remember, a couple of pens, some photo ID, and a clear mind are all you need.